Hello, and welcome to My Man the Maker. We have another unboxing for you, this one courtesy of Amazon. So, this is a mixed bag box. Don't know what's in there. Ordered it some time ago. It arrived while we were on the move from one place to another. So it sat there unopened for over a week. And let's find out what's in there. Well, it looks like we've got a box of boxes. There's one thing that is not boxed up, and that is a series of different sized wire nuts. I'm used to them and I like them. Over here they use this brass terminal type connector that's not all that great. I really do prefer the way I grew up, which is to use this sort of wire connector. We just called them wire nuts when I was a kid. I realize that's a trade name, but there's some other name for them. These are called electrical wire caps. Okay, very good. So I bought an assortment of, I don't know, a bunch. I'll leave a link to this particular assortment in the description. It doesn't have enough electrical outlets, and the ones it does have are a bit mysterious. There's also a ton of outside electrical that's not working at all, including a couple of wire runs that don't seem to have any logical purpose and cannot be turned on from within this place, which makes me think that they may be wired up to a different building. We'll find out, but as I do work with the electrical, my intention is to have these wire nuts in place, because I'm just not super comfortable with these screw down brass terminals that they use out here. Don't like them all that much. Box number 2, which is a small box, says LED nightlight. Okay, 6-pack. So I think Mrs. Maker's been shopping, and the idea for these is we've been IKEA hacking a little bit. And I believe that she wants to hang these within the IKEA, or place these within the IKEA furniture, which I think is called a stuva. And once that project's finished, I'd be happy to show you what the stuva room looks like. It's basically a huge walk-in closet. And we're going to have these lights installed inside the cabinets so that when you open the door, light comes on. It seems to be something that Mrs. Maker really likes, so she went ahead and bought some of these, and I suppose I'll be installing them when the design and installation of the stuva is finalized. Final box. I have a feeling this might be a mailbox. Mrs. Maker has been wanting a mailbox for a little while now. There isn't one in this place, so our mail arrives all jammed up inside the gate, which she doesn't like. So let's see what mailbox Mrs. Maker bought that Mr. Maker has to mount. We have a mailbox. Just up and down mailbox, reasonable size, comes with a little insert for your address and a lock. Hopefully there's a key in here somewhere. Here's the key, and there's the mailbox. So that'll be going up on the front. And that's the IKEA package. IKEA package, what am I talking about? That's the Amazon shipment for today. We got some lights for the stuva, some wire nuts for the electrical, and a mailbox. Wonderful. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, giving me a like, and leaving me a comment. I really enjoy making these videos, and I want to know from you how I can make them better. The whole point of these videos is to demonstrate that if I can do something, you can do it too. Well, that's it for now. So long, and remember, keep making.